My blissful gorgeous self, as soon as you step into the realm of Bhakti Yoga, the purpose of your life is automatically discovered and clarity in perspective is gained. The divine peace is attracted and blessings from Krishna Bhagavan automatically showers. Awakening of insight to your dilemmas and taking tough decisions are no more risky and life-threatening. And recognition of opportunities to fulfill your fervent desires are also automatically take place. It does not matter if Hinduism is historical or not, who founded it, how he founded it, why he founded it, whether Shiva said it or Vishnu said it or anyone said it. To validate Hinduism, what all it matters is, it is so rational and pragmatic that even all these 5,000 years later, not only in India, but any part of the world, its rationality is proven again and again. Monotheistic gospels require belief and faith. Hinduism requires thinking and application and is tested empirically, my dear friends. So let us enter into Bhakti Yoga. So the first Bhakti Yoga is to love Sri Krishna madly. And first step is do fasting on the birthday of Krishna. Today is birthday of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. So unless you have a habit of sharing and giving and donating, no space inside you is created for the bliss of the self or enlightenment, then what to speak of loving Bhagavan Sri Krishna? The ultimate purification of your inside is done through love offering, through donation offering, through generosity. Earth or clay-made items are purified by time. Senses are purified by servicefulness and meditation. Wealth and your paychecks are purified by offering donations a little bit, and wise men are purified by doing yajna. Water is purified by uniting with reservoir. Body is purified by taking a nice bath. Mind is purified by contentment, and the spirit is purified by knowing it eternal. Same way, the life, human life is purified by Shodash Sanskar, 16 purificatory rites. Then only human being can be free from peanut-headedness, utter complexity and evolved immaculate humanness, my dear friends. That is the solution to worldwide stupidity, although we are very educated and advanced as the belief. So wise men looked at Nandaraya, my dear friend. Okay, so wise men looked at Nandaraya in Gokul. It's getting late, please allow the nurse for Nalakshid and purificatory rites. And Nandaji looked helpless. Immediately he grabbed the hand of a wise man and handed over the key of treasury to to the holy man and said, Holy Sire, this treasury is no longer mine, it is yours now. Let the donation offering continue non-stop by being yours. It will still remain pure and acceptable and not become impure by this Sutak on the birth of my son Krishna Bhagavan. That is how Nandaraj said. And the wise men okayed, and donation offering continued. The awaiting maids then rushed to the maternity room. Shukdev ji Maharaj sings, So Mangalya Giro Vipra Suta Magada Vandina Gayakash Jagur Nedur Bheryo Dunduvayo Vraja Samrita Sansingha Dvara Jira Grihantara Chitrantuja Pataka Drangjaina Pallavatorani. As soon as the rite completed, Konit, Ranit, Ghosh, Tadyan, Jankrit, all these 5 kinds of musical instruments echoed and re-echoed throughout Brajmandal. Singers are singing, and dancers are dancing, and actors are demonstrating ideal emotions. Flowers are blooming, bumblebees humming, and peacocks are dancing, my dear friends. This is how a festival of Sri Krishna birth begins. Brahmanas are pronouncing benedictory words, and Sutas are reciting stories from Puranas. Magadhas are singing the glory of the ancestors of Nandaraj and Yashoda ji. Mondis are making people laugh according to situations. Gokul is inhabited in the shape of half moon in the bank of Yamuna river. The main road starts from Yamuna river ghat, which goes for miles away. All main houses are besides this road, and many tracks emanated to all sides. All are well cleaned. Banana trees stand besides the main road. Flags and banners abound. Auspicious pitchers with coconuts on top are placed in the squares. 4-faced flames are burning on them. Incense smoke rising. Flower garlands are hanging. Floors in the homes are smeared with water mixed with sandal paste and saffron. On each square, many bouquets were placed in such a way that they resembled a garden in themselves. Gao vatsatara vatsa, Gao vrisha vatsatara, Ridra taila rushita, Vichitradhatu varhastra, Vastra kanchana malina. Holy cows and bulls and cows were painted with turmeric, colorful minerals, and decorated with garlands, gold necklaces, and peacock's feathers, and silks, and they dancingly circumambulated the palace of Nandaraj. Gopals were dressed in silk suits and jewels and flocked towards the palace of Nandaraj with various presents. Vedic silk suits contained dhoti, kurta, and turban, and scarf, and many ornaments. So this is how the Gopals were dressed. Mahara Vajra Bharana Kanchi Koshni Chabhushita Gopa Samaya Yurajannano Payana Panaya Gopyascha Karne Mudita Shodaya Sutodbhavam Atmanam Mushayan Jangrur Vajra Kalpanjana Divi Navakum Kumakinjalka Mukha Pankajabhutaya Balivitwaritam Jagmu Pratashrunyaschalatkucha तायाशिषप्रयुञ्जानाक्षरं पाहीति बालके हरिद्राचूर्णतैलाध्वे सिञ्चन्त्यो जनमोज्जगो अवाद्यन्तविचन्द्राणि वादित्राणि महोन्नवे कृष्णे विश्वेश्वरे नन्दे नन्दस्य व्रजमागते Milkmaids' faces bloomed hurriedly, dressing themselves and wearing costly ornaments and collyrium, saffron paste, holding gifts such as barfi, rasgulla, kheer mohan, khurchan, and rabdis in silver plates, or raisin and coconuts and almond and dry fruits and chironji and baby toys and dress and ornaments, all that the gopis have in their hands. They ran down Yashodaji. By their rapid movements, so much flowers fell on their way from their braids that the path became carpeted with flowers. May Bhagavan protect the child always. Oh Lord, let this prince protect us forever. Thus they made solemn wishes and blessed the baby. Then sprinkling out turmeric mixed curd, they sang in high pitch. Then the music echoed aloud and besmearing the faces of one another with gulal and abir and sandal and saffron powder and musk, butter and yogurt mixed with turmeric. The Gopas began dancing in ecstasy of Bhagavan Sri Krishna's advent. Surdas ji is singing, Kumbhandas ji is singing, Aajo badhai baje Nanda Goparai ke Yadukul Yadav Rai Janame hai ai ke Anandit Gopi Gwal नाचे कर दे ताल अतिया लाद भयो यशुमती माई के. On the tune of their dance, someone is blowing his bugle, then clarinet, then trumpet, and sitar and veena echoed. Right then kettle drum resounded. Musicians are sitting on trees, on rooftops, on balconies and walls, and as if obsessed with the divine, playing with their fullness, and they are enjoying. This is known as Dadi Kando in Vrajamandal, my dear friends. Nanda, Upananda, Sannanda, all are dancing. Vrishabhanuji came from Barsana. He is also dancing. Kirtima came and she is also dancing. They had awaited so long. Gopis and Gopas have been perfecting themselves since ages, and now the time has come. They are floating on the pool of bliss consciousness, my dear friends. All along Ravani was following the rules of Kroshit Bhartrika. One whose husband is away, so she was neither dressing well, nor having makeups, nor joining in festivals. But today, requested by Yashodaji and Nandara both, she dressed and decorated well, and like queen, she was moving all around, guiding and ordering all, and managing the affairs of home. As long was await, so great was joy, and so big was festival. The entire Vrajamandal became sporting ground of goddess of wealth and fortune. For 5 long days, this festival and charity continued. Vavarasha Ghanavad Gopo Nandarajo Vrajeshwara Nidhi Siddhishcha Vriddhishcha Bhuktir Muktir Grihe Grihe Vethyam Lutantiva yachin nahi. On the sixth day they cooked dozens of varieties of delicacies and worshipped my Mata. It is believed she comes at midnight to write the fortune on the baby's forehead everywhere, everybody. All night song and music continued. Next morning Nandaji thought, now I have a son, I have to make him king. But that depends on the consent of the big boss of Mathura. So he decided to go there and offer him tributes personally. Next morning, dozens of carts were loaded with milk preparations and wealth, and hundreds of young Gopals drove them to Mathura. They made King Kansa and offered him tributes and informed him the news of childbirth. And this king accepted the gifts and expressed pleasure. After a brief formal talk, Nandaji left. They were resting in his camp at Mango Grove. Vasudevji came and met him. After a brief conversation, he reminded the party, Santutpatascha Gokule, disasters are going on in Gokul, therefore get there soon. Nandaji worried, but he Harim Jagama Sharanam, Harim Jagama Sharanam, and he headed fast with Gopals. He was soon on the path of Gokul, and Harim Jagama Sharanam, Harim Jagama Sharanam. When they arrived in Gokul, the big havoc has already happened, and we are going to describe that havoc in our next meeting, my dear friend. Thank you very much. Oh.